Students, today's topic is unit number 1. In unit number 1, we will read lesson number 1. Today we will continue with a reading plus we will do vocabulary of the text. Class second year, subject English. Book for class second year. Now coming to unit number 1. In unit number 1, the title of unit number 1 is Vision and Mission. There are 3 readings and we will continue with our first lesson, which is the farewell sermon. The farewell sermon means Al-Widai Khutbah by Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So we will continue with our reading. O people, listen to me in earnest. Worship Allah. Say your 5 daily prayers. Prayers means salah. Fast during the month of Ramzan and give your wealth in zakat. Perform Hajj if you can afford to. So before going further, I'll give you the background of the lesson. We were reading the farewell sermon. This sermon was delivered by Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam on the 9th day of Zulhajj, 10 AH. So he was delivering his sermon to the people. In this lesson, there are mentioned main important points from sermon of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So we will continue with it. O people, listen to me in earnest. Earnest means seriously, mutawajjah hokar, sanjeedgi se. Worship Allah. Worship Allah means Allah ki ibadat karna. Say your 5 daily prayers, 5 waqt ki namaz. Fast during the month of Ramzan. Fast means roze rakhna during the month of Ramzan. And give your wealth in zakat. और अपनी दौलत में से ज़कात अदा करना. Perform Hajj if you can afford to. Perform Hajj if you can afford to. अगर तुम इस्तिताअत रखते हो तो हज अदा करना. All mankind is from Adam and Eve. All mankind, तमाम इंसान, is from Adam and Eve. Adam mean Adam alayhi salam and Eve mean बीबी हवा. तमाम इंसान आदम अलैहिस्सलाम और बीबी हवा की औलाद हैं. An Arab has no superiority over a non-Arab. Arab has no superiority. Superiority means bartari. They are not superior over non-Arab. Non-Arab means who are not belong to Arab. Nor nahi a non-Arab has any superiority over an Arab. So no one has no superiority over an other. Also, a white has no superiority over a black, nor does a black have any superiority over a white except by piety and good actions. So, similarly, white means the people having white complexion. White has no superiority over a black. Black means people having black or dark complexion. So, white has no superiority over black, nor does black have any superiority over a white except the piety. Piety means taqwa. तकवा के अलावा कोई किसी पर बरतर नहीं है. And good actions means साले नेक अमल. So नेक अमल और तकवा के अलावा कोई किसी पर बरतर नहीं है. Whether he would be black or white, or he would be Arab or non-Arab. Learn that every Muslim is a brother to every other Muslim, and that the Muslim constitute one brotherhood. Learn, सीखो, that every Muslim is a brother to every other Muslim. एक मुसलमान दूसरे मुसलमान का भाई है. And that Muslims constitute one brotherhood. और तमाम मुसलमान एक भाईचारा बनाते हैं. Nothing shall be legitimate. Legitimate means जायज़ होना. Legitimate means जायज़ होना, हलाल होना. To a Muslim which belongs to a fellow Muslim, नथिंग शैल बी लेजिटिमेट टू अ मुस्लिम, एक मुसलमान के लिए तब तक वो चीज़ हलाल या जायज़ नहीं है विच बिलोंग्स टू अ फेलो मुस्लिम, जो चीज़ उसके मुसलमान भाई से ताल्लुक़ रखती है, अनलेस इट वॉज़ गिवन फ्रीली एंड विलिंगली, जब तक कि वो उसको आज़ादी के साथ और अपनी मर्ज़ी के साथ ना दी जाए। What does it mean? It means that if a person possesses anything and he by his will or he willingly give it to another person, then in that case it will be legitimate to another Muslim, otherwise it will be not legitimate to him. एक मुसलमान के लिए तब तक कोई चीज़ हलाल या जायज़ नहीं है जब तक कि दूसरा मुसलमान जो चीज़ उससे ताल्लुक़ रखती है या वो चीज़ जो उसकी मिल्कियत में है, वो मुसलमान अपनी मर्ज़ी से, अपनी चाहत से वो चीज़ दूसरे मुसलमान को जब तक ना दे, वो चीज़ उस पर हराम है। डू नॉट देयरफॉर डू इनजस्टिस टू योरसेल्फ, डू नॉट डू इनजस्टिस योरसेल्फ, इसलिए अपने साथ नाइंसाफ़ी या अपने साथ ज़्यादती ना करना। रिमेंबर वन डे यू विल अपेयर बिफोर अल्लाह, याद रखना एक दिन तुम्हें अल्लाह के सामने हाजिर होना है। एंड आंसर योर डीड्स, एंड यू विल बी आंसरेबल फॉर योर डीड्स, डीड्स मीन्स योर एक्शंस, अपने आमाल के बारे में तुमने जवाबदेह होना है। यू विल बी अकाउंटेबल इन फ्रंट ऑफ गॉड। बी वेयर, डू नॉट स्ट्रे फ्रॉम द पाथ ऑफ राइटनेस आफ्टर आई एम गॉन। सो बी वेयर, एहतियात करना, होशियार रहना। डू नॉट स्ट्रे, स्ट्रे मीन्स गुमराह होना, फ्रॉम द पाथ ऑफ rightness after I am gone. Rightness means सही रास्ता, rightness means नेकी, सच्चाई, सही रास्ता। After I am gone means रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम talking about himself, when I will be no more, so do not stray after me, मेरे बाद गुमराह ना हो जाना। O people, no prophet or apostle, T is silent in this word. So, O people, no prophet or apostle shall come after me, and no new faith shall be born. So, it is clearly written in bold writing that no prophet or apostle shall come after me. कोई पैगंबर, कोई कासिद मेरे बाद नहीं आएगा, कोई मुबल्लिग, अपोसल मीन्स मुबल्लिग, मेरे बाद नहीं आएगा। एंड नो न्यू फेथ शैल बी बॉर्न, और कोई नया मज़हब नहीं होगा। रीज़न वेल, देयरफॉर, reason well means think about it, ponder over it. Therefore, O people, and understand words which I convey to you. Understand the words, और मेरी बातों को समझो जो मैं तुम्हें पहुंचाना चाहता हूँ। Which I convey to you, जो मैं तुम्हें पहुंचाना चाहता हूँ। I leave behind me two things. I am leaving two things behind me, the Quran and my example. My example means the Sunnah. So Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam left two things behind him, which are Quran and his Sunnah. And if you follow these two, you will never go astray. If you follow these two, you will never go astray. Astray means भटकोगे नहीं, तुम गुमराह नहीं होगे। अगर तुम कुरान और सुन्नत पर अमल करोगे तो तुम कभी गुमराह नहीं होगे। All those who listen to me shall pass on my words to others, and those to others again. All those who listen to me, all who is listening to me right now, पास ऑन माई वर्ड्स टू अदर, मेरे अल्फाज दूसरे लोगों तक पहुँचाओ, एंड दोज टू अदर्स अगेन, और वो दूसरे और दूसरों तक मेरे अल्फाज पहुँचाएँ. एंड मे द लास्ट वंस अंडरस्टैंड माई वर्ड्स बेटर देन दोज हु लिसन टू मी डायरेक्टली. एंड मे द लास्ट वंस अंडरस्टैंड एंड मे और शायद एंड मे द लास्ट वंस और शायद आखिरी लोग मे अंडरस्टैंड माई वर्ड्स बेटर देन दोज हु लिसन टू मी डायरेक्टली. और शायद आखिरी लोग जो हैं वो मेरे अल्फाज को उनसे बेहतर तौर पर समझ पाएँ जो अभी मुझे बराह रास्त सुन रहे हैं. बी माई विटनेस. सो होली प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम इज़ saying to Allah that be my witness, मेरे गवाह रहना, ओ अल्लाह, ए मेरे अल्लाह, that I have conveyed your message to your people, कि मैंने आपका पैगाम आपके लोगों तक पहुंचा दिया है. So he is saying to Allah that be my witness, मेरे गवाह रहना, that I have conveyed the message, I have completed the responsibility which you have given to me. So this was last sermon of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we all have to, and all Muslim have to follow his sunnah, and we have to follow the Quran and sunnah. Now coming to vocabulary, words meaning. Apostle. Apostle means muballigh, qasid, an ardent supporter of a cause. Ardent means enthusiastic supporter of a cause. Reform movement, islah करने वाला. Messenger और preacher. Preacher means तबलीग करने वाला. Assent. Assent means razamandi. Agreement as to a statement, proposal, acceptance, compliance, consent, accord. All these are synonyms of assent. Astray. Astray means gumrah ho jana, bhatak jana, out of correct path or direction into error. Amiss, off the right course or track. Beware. Beware means होशियार. Be courteous or wary of. Be on one's guard, किसी का मुहाफिज होना. Take heed, होशियारी से काम लेना. Capital. Capital means सरमाया. Material wealth owned by an individual or business enterprise invested for production of further wealth. Henceforth, अब से, इसके आगे. From this time forward, from this time on, henceforward. Legitimate. Legitimate means कानूनी, जायज़, हलाल. Lawful, legal, authentic, genuine, admissible, valid. Murmur. Murmurs means a very slow sound, sarsarahat. A continuous low, indistinct sound, humming or mumble. Piety. Piety means muttaqi, parhezgar, dutiful devotion to God and observance of religious principles, to be pious, godliness and piousness. Pilgrimage. Pilgrimage means Hajj, ziyarat, a journey to a shrine or other sacred place. Shrine means ziyarat. Sacred place, muqaddas maqam. Revelation. Revelation means wahi, the act of disclosing something previously secret or obscure, God's disclosure of his purpose for mankind through the words of a human being. Rightiness. Rightiness means नेक, सही, सच्चा, in accordance with accepted standard of morality, justice or uprightness, virtue or honesty. Sermon. Sermon means khutbah, an address of religious instruction. Thunder. Thunder means garaj, a loud cracking or deep rumbling noise. To abide by, हुक्म की अतात करना. To accept or submit to comply with, to put with up. To constitute, to make up. To constitute means बनाना, तश्कील देना. Compose, to comprise, to set up. To entrust. Entrust means हवाले करना. To put into the care or protection of someone. To assign, to give custody of. To inflict. Inflict means तकलीफ देना. To impose something unwelcome, such as pain, sufferings. To prevail upon, छा जाना. To succeed in persuading or inducing, to gain mastery, to overcome, to persuade, to convince, to influence. To reckon. To reckon means muhasaba, to settle account with, to take into account, to calculate, to ascertain, to consider or regard. So these are the words, and all these are the synonyms of these words. You have to pick the meaning according to your text or contextual meaning. Now coming to activity, you have to read the lesson and learn vocabulary. Thank you.